What's up, guys? This is my AR-15 Mossberg 5.56 NATO. Got quite a few things on here. Got my angled grip, my eye protect light, nice bipod. Gotta have a packer mag, makes it run better. The scope. This is a 4x zoom scope with it's a little El Cheapo red dot on top of it, but it gets the job done. And then I got my do not tread on me charging handle. Let's fire this puppy up. I keep all my guns very well maintained. I clean them very often. Make sure all the rings and stuff are good inside of them, gas rings. So I don't normally have any foul ups with this gun. This gun runs very nice. This is one of my more favorite guns in my collection, which is not too big, but I'll get it up there someday. But yeah, this is my first AR-15, and I have no complaints with it. Never had any jams come out of it. It's gone through multiple changes though. It has had the optic that's on my Roni was on this before. Just recently got the bipod. Just recently got the Green Bay mags. But I like it.